Download XSPA Wallet directly from the App Store. Simply search XSPA Wallet, install, and open the app to begin your journey. Welcome to XSPA, a fast, secure, and simple way to connect to your digital world. Sign in or create an account to get started. Set your passcode. Your keys, your control. No one else gets in, not even us. Manage assets, track your portfolio, and access all features in a few taps. Welcome to XSPA. Send crypto in seconds. Enter the address, choose the amount, and confirm. Share your unique address or scan the QR code to receive crypto instantly. Buy crypto easily with your preferred payment method. No hassle, just results. Sell your crypto quickly with competitive rates and no hidden fees. Real-time swaps, cross-chain, low fees. Just tap and trade. View your portfolio, track gains, and stay updated with real-time data. One wallet, your rules. Customize your experience the way you want it. Download now on the App Store. Android version coming soon. Don't forget to leave us a review on the App Store and join the XSPA community today.